What type of card is paysafe? A comprehensive guide. Have you ever come across the term paysafe and wondered what exactly it is? Is it a credit card, a debit card, or something else entirely? Well, let's dive into the world of paysafe and find out exactly what it is and how it works. What is paysafe? Paysafe isn't a traditional credit or debit card. Instead, it's a prepaid online payment method. Think of it as a digital wallet that you can load with money and then use to make online purchases. It's like carrying around a bit of cash in your pocket, but in digital form. How does paysafe work? To use paysafe, you first need to purchase a paysafe card. These cards can be found at various retail locations, including supermarkets, gas stations, and convenience stores. Once you have a card, you can load it with money. You can usually do this online, by phone, or by visiting a paysafe retailer. Once your card is loaded, you can use it to make online purchases. Simply enter your paysafe card number, expiry date, and CVV code at the checkout. It's as easy as using a regular credit or debit card. Key features of paysafe. Prepaid. Paysafe cards are prepaid, meaning you only spend the money you've loaded onto the card. This can help you stay within your budget and avoid overspending. Secure. Paysafe uses advanced security measures to protect your personal and financial information. Widely accepted, paysafe is accepted by thousands of online merchants worldwide, making it a convenient payment option for online shopping. Anonymous. Using paysafe can provide a level of anonymity, as you don't need to share your personal banking information with merchants. Paysafe versus gift cards. Paysafe cards are often confused with gift cards. While both are prepaid cards, there are some key differences. Gift cards are typically tied to a specific retailer or brand, while paysafe cards can be used at a wide range of online merchants. Additionally, gift cards often have a fixed value, while paysafe cards can be loaded with any amount of money. Pros and cons of paysafe. Pros. Secure and reliable. Widely accepted online. Prepaid, helping you stay within your budget. Anonymous. Can be used for a variety of online purchases. Cons. May not be accepted at all physical stores. Fees may apply for certain transactions or services. Can be lost or stolen. Who should use paysafe? Paysafe is a great option for anyone who wants a secure and convenient way to make online purchases. It's particularly useful for people who want to avoid using their personal credit or debit card information online. Need to stay within a budget. Want to make online purchases anonymously. Are looking for a prepaid payment option. So, to answer the question we started with, paysafe is not a credit or debit card. Instead, it's a prepaid online payment method that offers a secure, convenient, and anonymous way to make online purchases. If you're looking for a reliable alternative to traditional payment methods, paysafe is definitely worth considering. Have you ever used paysafe or considered using it? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative videos like this. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.